Welcome to the Run a Bitcoin Node YouTube channel, where we explore the world of decentralized apps and self-hosting. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to the Umbrel OS new version, a revolutionary update that will reshape your self-hosting journey and take it to the new heights. As the universe of self-hosted application continues to flourish, Umbrel OS has once again surpassed expectation with its latest iteration, version 0.5.4. Backed with host of upgrades, this release is designed to transform your self-hosting experience from the complete reimaged App Store. Let's see the App Store. Practical Migration Assistant, Umbrel OS, a new version, is a genuine game changer. Let's delve into the specifics. Introducing Umbrel. Umbrel OS has now reached version 0.5.4 and it brings forth a wealth of exciting features and improvements compared to its predecessor version 0.5.3. The highlights of this release is the Image App Store, which offers a sleek, intuitive experience for users. Here are some of the noteworthy changes. Updated design. The App Store has undergone a complete redesign, boasting a more user-friendly and visually appealing interface. New categories. To enhance app organizations and simplify user searches, the App Store now features updated categories. So this one's here. App Store redesign. The overhaul of the App Store signifies a complete transformation of its previous design, delivering a fresh and engaging look. Performance improvements. Various performance enhancements have been implemented to ensure a seamless and efficient user experience. Badge for apps optimized for Umbrel Home. With the addition of the new badge, identifying apps optimized for Umbrel Home has never been easier for users. Please note that these changes represent just a glimpse of the extensive updates. For the comprehensive understanding, we encourage you to refer to the official release notes. Revamped App Store in Umbrel new version. Let's take a closer look. So it has like a modernized layout. The App Store has undergone a restructuring, provided users for intuitive visual adaptive experience. Refreshed categories, App Store overhaul. It's the complete redesign. Performance boost. Numerous performance upgrades have been implemented, ensuring smoother navigation and faster app installation. I can confirm. Badge for Umbrel Home optimized apps. This I haven't seen yet. And introducing the Migration Assistant. For the transitioning from the Raspberry Pi based Umbrel to a new Umbrel Home hardware, we have introduced a valuable tool called the Migration Assistant. This tool enables the seamless transfer of our existing apps and data from Raspberry Pi, SSD, HTTP to Umbrel Home with just one click. To access the Migration Assistant, follow the steps. Upgrade your latest Umbrel OS to latest version. Once the update is complete, you can find the Migration Assistant in the settings or tools section of the Umbrel interface. So let's see. It should be here somewhere. I don't see it. Okay, maybe we need to do shutdown. The exact location of the Migration Assistant may vary, so we recommend referring to official documentation. Additional details can be found on the Umbrel community page. By following these steps, you can effortlessly migrate your apps and data to Umbrel Home and embrace the exciting new features. Resolving the microSD card health check issue. In response of user feedback, Umbrel OS has disabled the microSD card health check feature. This decision was made due to false positives that were causing unnecessary alerts for users. The health check script, initially based on scripts from the PE Foundation, erroneously indicated that the microSD card needed replacement even when it was functioning correctly. To address this confusion and inconvenience, the Umbrel team decided to disable the check temporarily while they work on a more robust solution. One of the engineers of the Umbrel team stated the following regarding this feature. The test script is based on the script from the P Foundation. It definitely looks like several users are getting false positives. I've been working on the few ideas to make this more robust, and I aim to get this released ASAP. For further details and to join the discussion, you can visit the GitHub page dedicated to this issue. Conclusion. Umbrel OS 0.54 empowers you to unlock the full potential of self-hosting and decentralized applications. With its revamped App Store, vertical migration assistant, and user-centric improvements, this update sets a new standard in the world of self-hosted applications. Embrace the possibilities and stay tuned for more exciting updates on the Run a Bitcoin Node YouTube channel. Remember, in the realm of self-hosting, Umbrel OS new version is your gateway to decentralized future. Yes, so I updated yesterday and the RAM usage is up. Also because I'm using instead of 450 default cache to resync the Bitcoin node, full node, I use 4,500 megabytes. So, but yesterday it jumped from 4 to 6 without this when it was already synced. So now I reinstalled everything again and will try again and will let you know how it goes. Now the node is running very good. So I changed the settings here. Cache size, instead of 450 default, I put 4,500. I restarted the Bitcoin node and it's working very good. So we'll see what happens. Looking forward to see the Nirvati Run Citadel coming out to see how much faster it is than the Umbrel OS. And if you want my personal opinion, I think Umbrel Home hardware is a little bit too expensive, and that's why I did this. My website also Run a Bitcoin Node to offer cheaper alternatives as do it yourself or buy from the shop from me plug and play version of the Odroid M1 8GB RAM board that is Raspberry Pi alternative, and I think it's very good alternative, and it's also faster. I did the test. You can find the tests in the specific blog post in my website if you search Odroid. Thank you. Bye. I will put the link downstairs also. Thank you.